These are pinhole glasses. People on the internet claim they can see clear with them, but I'll put them through 3 tests to see if they can help me see clear or if they're restricted. Let's find out. For level 1, I'm pouring water into this cup.
To my surprise, this was not very challenging as I was able to see through the holes and I did not spill anywhere on the table.
Step it at a level, I'm pouring the water into this smaller cup.
For a smaller cup, it was a little more challenging but still doable. The only difference is the water was too much and I spilled on the table. And then moving on to step 2, which is threading a needle. It's not a secret that threading a needle is difficult with your bare eyes. How about using pinhole glasses? But I was determined, and after a lot of tries, I got it through the hole. I was so proud of myself that I was able to thread this needle.
Stepping this up a notch, let's catch some falling sticks. Of course, I have my pinhole glasses on me this time. I got one, I missed. It's really hard to see. Man, this was difficult. But you know what? I'm gonna give it another try. Let's try my best to see. It's really blocking my peripheral vision, but let's see. I got one. Up, yep. No, I can't see it. I can't see whatever. Gosh, this is so hard. I was really under the impression that I can catch at least 4. I only got 2. So the main reason I was not able to catch most of these sticks is because these pinhole glasses, these holes, are restricting the peripheral vision, which is the wider vision. And it is pretty much impossible to see which stick is falling at a time. With that said, let's move to the last and most challenging stunt, which requires a lot of precision. Let's go outside and bat some baseball. And we're outside right now. Try these pinhole glasses again. But this time, the challenge is precision shot. So I'm trying to bat these baseball with my pinhole glasses. Apparently I need to try without my pinhole glasses first to get at least 1 shot. Now back to pinhole glasses. So with that said, these pinhole glasses are not very safe to wear when you are doing activity that requires a lot of peripheral vision. You'll definitely see a lot clearer with them though, without your prescription glasses. How was I able to hit the ball then? Let me know in the comment section below.
And one more thing, if you guys really want to try out these pinhole glasses to train your vision, or if you want to try my falling stick challenge game that I built myself, check links in the description below. I'll be posting more video ideas about this topic specifically to train your vision and see clearer, and see you next time.